Bismillah, Assalamu alaikum. I am Jalal Radwan. Welcome back to Quran Reset 30 days with the Quran. And in the previous class, I encourage you to start the journey. And then you ask me, how can I start? Give me the map. Number one, don't wait the right time. Don't wait the perfect plan. Maybe you stopped before and you stopped, but that doesn't mean you did nothing. And maybe you already know that in languages. For example, I studied English, maybe not in the perfect way at the beginning, but that add a lot to me. So you have to start. And remember, you're not a loser with the Quran in any way. Because once you are sitting with the Quran, you are having hasanat and you are getting closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Alright? And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala لا يضيع أجر من أحسن عمله. Allah will not waste all your effort. So remember that you do that for Allah, not just for achievement. So don't wait the amazing plan. Alright, this is important. Don't wait. Just start reading Quran now. But you need, number one, you start with a small and simple goals for you. Like if you're still beginner, and you need your teacher also to guide you in this journey. You get a teacher, whatever, online or a masjid, but it's important to guide you. Okay? Because maybe, I want to memorize one page. And one page is gonna be impossible for some people because they're still learning letters. Okay, so you're gonna achieve 1 line, 2 lines, and then later, inshallah, it's going to be 1 page or 2 pages. And we're gonna talk about that, inshallah, so follow, inshallah, for more, like in how many days and how many years I can memorize the Quran. We're gonna talk about that topic, inshallah. So, number one, we say is how to start simple. According to your level, you will need the help of your teacher. Also, you need correction. Don't memorize in the wrong way. Like you need a teacher also, or a group, or whatever, the teacher in the masjid, to help you to read the Quran right. So this ayat that he makes sure that you recite it right, and then you memorize it. What if you memorize it in the wrong pronunciation? Don't worry. With the right guide, inshallah, with the right teacher, and I can help you if you want to. You can communicate with me on WhatsApp, and then we start on one-on-one classes. No worries. Or any online teacher, whatever, but you need someone also to correct you. So if you memorize in the wrong pronunciation, don't worry. There is a solution, inshallah. So then I will talk about ayah by ayah method. You take the ayah, repeat it. You make sure that you recite it well, you listen to your favorite sheikh, and then you read the ayah. Then you can close like your eye, and then try to repeat it like 33 times according to how many ayah. Make sure that now I memorize it. And then I go and do the same for the next line or the next ayah, and then apply these 2 ayahs together, try to read them together, and then add the third one and tell the other class. Now I memorize like 2 or 3 lines. And then add them in my salah. We'll talk about that inshallah in more details. Step by step. We still have the 30 days inshallah. So ayah by ayah method, it's really important not to go to the second ayah until I make sure that alhamdulillah I can recite it fluently without hesitation, without mistakes. I can read it. Also, you can use the technology for that, like record yourself or AI like Tartil. But don't rely on it 100%. That will help you. Okay, if you struggle in ayah, I know this one that I struggle in. Okay, so how many times? You can say 100, 230, but don't go beyond 30. Okay, now that you don't less than 30. It could be more than 30. What else? Okay, number 4, revision is not optional. Revision is important. Revision. Always revision. And you need a system. That's why, again, you need someone like a teacher, especially if he's professional, to help you with a structured method or a structured plan. But again, if you don't have a plan, also start. When I talk about revision, also I want to give you a hint about the 3 boxes strategy. We're going to talk about it inshallah. Like you have a homework for the new ayat, and then also the old and new, the ayat that you recently memorized in this week, and then also revision from the old ayat that you memorized. And then you work on these three consistently. yeah, every class until you reach, inshallah, to finish the whole Quran, and you can read the whole Quran in one day. This is one of the goals that we have. All right. Remember, we don't read for anything, just for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We hope that. May Allah grant you and me ikhlas. So you just don't wait for the right time. You can start with your shaykh and just start. That's it. If you have any question, let me know in the comments. Please, if this video is beneficial for you, so encourage me for more. See you inshallah tomorrow. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.